Hi friends, my name is Yash and I will just provide you a video about term plan, right? So there are lots of plans in the market, right? Okay, but which plan is suitable to you, right? Which provide you survival benefits and the thing you have to think, right? Okay, so I have made search about myself. Okay, I have done search about an insurance policy, or you can say term plan. Okay, so which provide you benefit, right? Which provide you survival benefit also, which provide which claim assessment ratio is also good. And you can say it is the company is good in the market, right? So let's go to the video, right? So I have already done the research, right? So as for example, we are investing some money, right, in an insurance policy or term plan, right? So most of the term plan are that we are paying today for 30 or 20 or 60 years, right? After that we just pass the survival period. As for example, most of term plan offered by many companies which provide only the, you can say, if you have caused a death, or if you have an accidental death or a disability, right, then only they just provide the money, right? Okay, but if you survival the period, right, so you are getting nothing, your money is wasted, you can say like that. So I had done research about that, and I have got to know about, you can say, r- term plan for return of premium, right? So as for example, I am paying today. Okay, I will get back that money, right, after deducting the tax, right? So let's get see, right, how it works and how it is efficient to us, right? So see, as you can see, uh, you can view here, this is an policy bazaar page, right? So I have already opened it, so I will just see. I have just made a normal search here. You can say TROP plans. It is term plan with return of premium. So I would just return my details here. Now see, you can see here survival benefits. This is most important. Survival benefits. And the other thing is claim settlement ratio. It is 99.20. So you can see ICICI also is in top. Okay, ICICI Prudential, it provides 1 crore. We have 4.89 lakhs, and for 70 years. So it can provide up to 73. It can provide about 85 years. So, but its claim, see here, claim settlement ratio is 3% less than Max Life Insurance, right? So this is best. You can go here also. See, it is 98%, but across I get the least, right? So which is the best? You can go and see it. The settlement ratio is 99.20. See, it is the best. So I have done some changes here. So I'll just undo it. See, now it is an actual amount I have done for yearly, right? As for example, you are paying something yearly, so it is better, right? So if you pay for monthly, so you will get text and everything. Okay, and you have to go and you have to just remember and pay every time. But here you can pay yearly. So we can also have the technique to save, right? You can just open a RD, recurring deposit, to any bank account of around you can say 1200 rupees. Okay, so you can have this amount in your bank, right, at end of the year, right? So as for example, there it is 15,000, right? So if I go and it is 15,000 yearly, so it is then also more. But you can see here 24 hours claim settlement. It provides 24 hours claim settlement, extra payout on accidental death, right? So it is best. It provides an accidental death also, but it is a rider. We have to select it. If you select it, then only it is get activated, right? So I will not take it because I have another accident insurance with me. If you don't want it, you can get it. So now I will go to this option, save money, right? We also require the save money. So here there are options for 5 years, 70 years, so 15 years, right? So it is better for everyone to pay, right? Because every our being a middle class family, right? So everyone do not have that much money that they can pay lot of money, right? So this is my research. You can go till 73 years. I have by default it is 70 years. You can just change to 73, then also no problem. 75, it provides up to 75 years. No, it has gone 73 years only. See, so now max life of 1 crore, right? So I will get survival benefit of 3.52, right? How this amount will I get, right? 3.52 after if I get survived till 74 years, I will get my amount credited. So what I am paying, so if I get this benefit, so now what I have to pay? So I will go for 15 years, right? So as for example, you have to pay 24,558. Okay, it is an yearly premium we have to pay, right? So if you but I do, it is, you can say for 1 crore, okay, no problem, you can go for 25. You can go according to your likes, right? Dislikes, what you require, right? According to your situation, according to your money flow, right? According to your salary, right? According to your money management, you can go. But just take an example of 1 crore only. To 25,000 I have to pay for 15 years. So let's just calculate the amount, right? What I am paying and what I am getting. So this is in 24,558. So 24,558 multiply by 15 years. So this amount I am paying 36,000, sorry, 3,68,370. Okay, so this amount I am paying to the company, right? And what I am getting. So if anything occurs to me, right, till this age, 73 age, I will get credited. No, my nominee will get credited so 1 lakh 1 crore rupees in his bank account. Here, okay. So now you can see here 3.52. So actually the insurance company deduct the tax. Okay, so after deducting tax, right, I am getting 3.52 lakhs, right? What I have invested, what I have initial investment, right? So I'm getting back. It is a better option, right? You can also go to multiple websites. It is my suggestion, okay? It is the best thing, but you can customize it. But I will not take about 1 crore, I will take off 50, okay? And there is also another term plan which is provided by HDFC. It is the best plan. It is also a best plan, but it provides till 63 years only. Okay, so but I am not getting here survival benefit. Okay, so if anything occurs to me till 63 years of age, then I am eligible. After that I am not eligible, right? But I am not getting it. If I am paying today, so it is gone, right? So here is asking for first name, and you will also get 5.5% discount. It is applicable for mostly all the insurance, right, which you take online. So now I will to go. No, it is asking for email ID. This is normal details you have to fill up. Okay, when you come to this page, see it is an see what is this? This is in cost and details. They are asking if you are diagnosis of doctor, you have visited to any foreign countries, do you have been quarantined or not. So if you are, then you can select here according to you. I am not, so it is all the things. See, if you are travel to abroad, then it is government authority with the clearance systems of any disease, right? So it is good. Yes, it provides an you can specify your annual income according to you. Now we are going to next page. You have to write your industry where you are working for. As for example, I am taking a apprenticeship. Oh, you have to specify your weight in kgs. So you have to specify your weight also. Wow. Your height also here. You can measure your height with according to consulting a doctor, or you can just calculate on the wall also. So now this page is loading. So now there are term plans which are getting opened. See, so after that the lump sum amount should be paid. It is the most popular plan here. See, you can say normal plan that all persons take, but we'll go for any another in which we are getting a best benefit. HDFC also provides return of premium. but after death a lump sum amount paid to your family, or on survival return of premium paid, right? If you survive, then also you will get the benefit, or you are you have got death, and your nominee will get the benefits. Okay, here it also provides the same. So I will just go and search. Okay, how much is the premium? You can go for annually, and see, here also you can change to 15 years here. So your premium will be less, sorry, premium will be more, but paying years should be less. So you can make your investment to another place, right? Once it is completed, so you are safe, right? You can make your investment, make your invest your money somewhere else. It also provides increase your, this is the option which I like, right? Increase your insurance cover as per income grows, right? It provides up to, you have to select here according to it 5% per year. So this is the option, it is given for inflation, right? As for example, the current inflation ratio is 4.5, right, in market. So I will select any another of, if I here, if I select 6% per year, so monthly payment which I get, or it will be increased till 6%. So as for example, my cover is of 25 lakhs, right? So it will get extend to 6% every year, right? But for that I have to pay. It is not a free service, man, right? It is not, it is an add-on. See here, it is here add-on. Increase or increase cover by top up plan, it is an add-on, we have to pay for it, right? So I will not take it. If you want, you can take it. So now I'll go to show plans. This is the best plan what I like. See, 16,207, right? For 25 lakhs, right? Okay, you can also go and edit it. Actually, in Max Life we have seen about 1 crore, right? And here we are seeing about, see, here we are seeing about 1 crore, and 24,558 was yearly premium for 15 years. So we have to compare it. So it is same or not? Okay. So I had made the changes here. Now monthly payment is changed to monthly. We have to change to yearly, right? To select here annually again. Now it will show. It is 30,666. So HDFC cost 5,000, around 5,000 more than Max Life, right? So what is the claim settlement ratio? So it is 94.01. See, it is done on Google search. Okay, it is 94%. So which is better? You only decide. So it HDFC taking 5,000 more than Max Life Insurance, right? Yearly. And the ratio is 94.0. See, claim settlement ratio. See, I have written HDFC claim settlement ratio for term plan, right? So it is, which is better? I am paying here less money. I am just paying 24,558, right? And I have to, in HDFC I have to pay for 1 crore only 30,000, right? So it is my preference. Then in less money we should get better benefit, and we should get our money back also what we are paying, right? Okay, because all of us make very hard work and for earning money, right? So we should invest it intelligently. Okay, if you are taking some term plan, you are taking some anything, okay, we should think 10 times for that. See, this is my research, my personal opinion, okay, because I will go for this only, because it provides me survival benefit also, plus its company reputation is also good, and it provides till 73 years, right? Okay, see, you can here see it, in HDFC how much years it provides. It provide main benefit. It provides till 63 years, 40 years only. See, it is written policy term is 40 years, so 63 years old, right? So it just cover till 63 years. So if you have to pay more, you have to pay more 4,500 rupees. Here you have to pay more, the less benefit we are getting. It is 63 years only. Okay, so I have to pay for 15 years, so I will get only cover for 38 years. So here it provides, in IC Max Life Insurance it provides till 73 years. So you can say 13 years more, oh sorry, 10 years more than this HDFC. Okay, so it is better plan. Okay, if you like the video, okay, if you enjoyed it, thank you.